Hi Alex, I hope you're enjoying your holidays. I'm sending this amazing book so you can keep working at your piece during these days. I know you love sharks and will enjoy this story. But first, some vocabulary words. Our first word is shark. Sharks are big fish. They live in salt water and they have big teeth. Do you remember the song? Baby shark, do 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 do. I know you do. Our next word is seals. Seals are animals that live in cold water. They can be gray or brown. Our next word is afraid. Afraid is a feeling. It's when you are scared of something. Can you see their faces? Next word is whales. Whales are large animals that live in the water. They breathe air as we do. They have a hole in the top of their heads. The next word is eels. Eels are a type of fish. They are long and they swim by generating body waves like snakes. And our last word is sails. Sails are small boats that move by the wind. Maybe you have seen them in Acapulco. Okay, now that we are ready, we'll start reading our book. The title is The Shark Who Was Afraid of Everything, and is written by Brian James and illustrated by Bruce McNally. Sharky the shark was unlike all the others. Sharky was teased by his sisters and brothers. Under the sea, they were all played. Sharky the shark was always afraid. He was afraid of whales with great big tails. He was scared of ships with little sails. Sharky feared the silly seals. He swam away from electric eels. No other sharks would let Sharky play. Freddy Shark is what they will say. Sharky was afraid of the dark. He was afraid of the light. But he was most afraid the other sharks might be right. What good is a shark who's always scared? I'll go far away where no one will care. Lily the little fish watched Sharky leave. Lily the little fish followed his lead. Sharky was happy to have a new friend. Together they played and loved to pretend. They made silly faces, swam upside down races, had hide and seek chases in all kinds of places. But after a while, they needed to rest. I think we are lost, Sharky confessed. Sharky, I'm scared. Lily then cried. I am not. It's okay, Sharky replied. Sharky knew he had to save the day. It was up to him to lead the way. He took Lily by the hand, this way and that way. Together they swam. Soon they were home. Everyone was there. Where were you two? We were so scared. Lily smiled and Sharky did too. There's no reason to be scared when Sharky's with you. Everyone agreed with what Lily said. Everyone nodded and shook their head. Then Sharky the shark stood proud and tall, 'cause everyone said he was the bravest of all. And that's the end. Alex, I hope you have enjoyed this book. I send you a big hug.